Welcome to all for this session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the topic Java fundamentals. In this session, we are going to discuss about the parts of Java program. When we are writing a simple program in Java programming language, what are the different parts of Java programming language? We are going to discuss as a part of this session. Here the simple program in Java programming language is shown. Here a simple single line comment is written here that gives some additional information about the program. After that, one blank line is inserted which can increase the readability of program. Then after that, the declaration of class is specified, starting with keyword as a public. Here public keyword state that the class is public, which is accessible in the same program or accessible outside the other programs also. Then after that, we declare here the class keyword. We declare here the keyword as a class, which is in lowercase. Because Java is a case sensitive language, it will differentiate the uppercase and lowercase letters. Then after that, we declare here the name of the class as the parts. As a standard convention of Java programming language, the first letter in Java programming language is always a capital letter. Then after that, we define the opening curly bracket, that is left curly bracket, which indicate the start of body of class parts. Then after that, inside the class body, we declare a method. We define a method, public static void main. Here this method is a public, it will be accessible outside the program, and this method is defined after the public keyword. A static keyword is defined here. The static keyword said that this method is common for all the objects of the class. Then after the static keyword, the void keyword is specified as a return type of the method. Means this method does not return any values to a calling program or calling function or method. Then after that, the main keyword is defined, which indicate that this one is a main method from which the execution of the program is started, or we can say that main method is the entry point for the execution of the program. Then after that, in the bracket, the object of string class is declared. Here string is a class and args is a array object variable which can store the arguments which are passed through a command line during the execution of program. Then inside the body of method, the simple statement is written, that is system.out.println. Here system is a class which is present inside the LNG package. Out is the object of the system class, and we are calling a println method of system class through the object out, and we are passing a simple message, I love programming, as a message, as argument to the println method. Once this statement is get executed successfully, it will print the output on output screen as I love I love programming. Then after that you have to close the body of main method. Then you have to close the body of class part. This is about the different parts of Java program. Then here we are going to discuss about the two fundamental methods which are used in Java programming language. One is print and next one is println. The difference between the print and println is that the println method will print a message and give a cursor on the same line, whereas println method will print a message on output screen which is written in double quotation mark and transfer the cursor on the next line. Here I have shown the example of print and println method. Here example of println method is shown. Here when I write a statement system.out.println in double quote, I want to display a message I love programming. Here the println method will display this message and transfer the cursor on the next line on the output screen. Here system is a class, out is an object of the system class, and print and println are the methods of the system class are get called through the object out. Here you can write the statement system dot out dot println. Here after that we are going to discuss about the significance of print method in Java programming language. The print method also display the message on output screen which is written in double quotes and keep the cursor on the same line at the end of the message. Here the cursor position is after the message on the same line, whereas if you use the println method, it will print a message on output screen and transfer the control cursor on the next line. Here cursor is get transfer on the next line. That is the difference between print and println method. For example, suppose here I use a println method. In this example, I use a print method of system class, and here I am going to display a 4 messages. Here I am using a print method so that all these 4 messages are get displayed over the same line. It does not transfer the cursor on the next line. The next one is println. The println method will print a message on output screen and transfer a cursor on next line to print a next message, so that the output is get printed in this fashion through a println method. The next one is escape sequence. We can use, suppose if you want to print or if you want to transfer the cursor on next line through a print method, we can use a /n. /n is also used in C or C++ language to transfer a cursor on the next line. Here we can use /n with print method to transfer a cursor on the next line. Okay, it will display the output similar to the output of println method. Then we are going to discuss about the Java fundamentals like variables and literals in the next session. In this session, we'll stop here. Thank you.